Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C63 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, and before I'll show you how to reset the camera, I just wanted to draw your attention to this special type of a grid line. I've applied it because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So let's open the settings. In the right upper corner, simply tap on this gear icon, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find restore defaults option. So let's tap on it. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on done, and as you can see we just automatically got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.